Bless me, bless me, bless me, mighty Jaja. Bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me, bless me. This year alone, too much innocent dead. The mark of the beast, no blood, them a shed.
Chubby may retire at any time. Chubby has been doing this for so many years, and I'm fearful that when Chubby leaves, and even Jeff Joseph retires, people tend to think that these guys are going to go on forever. They're not going to go on forever, and I'm fearful that when they do leave, it's like we may end up losing what they have spent so many years yes, and because there's no one to actually follow into their full steps, because it's like as you say, everybody doing their own thing. There's no structure whereby we can actually continue what has been done through this artist's hard work.
I think you find the elements of Chubby and Gordon Henderson and Jeff Joseph in each of them Booyah artists. On a real. Even right now in 2010. You find an element of that. You wouldn't find 100%. But I think you'll find 10% of Chubby, Jeff Joseph and Gordon Henderson in each of the artists, even right at this time. No matter if it is Ra, no matter if it is Triple K Band, whoever it is, I think so.
You are due to go to Dominica, and I believe you told me that you want to set a foundation. Basically, you want to go out there and see how you can probably team up with various persons in Dominica to see how you can do your videos and assist in some way or the other.
We hooked up with Pat Aaron from Mass Camp. Everybody know Pat Aaron. We're going to be shooting a DVD for him, and maybe shoot a couple of his artists according to where they end up in the semi-finals or finals. We might end up shooting a couple of music videos for some of their artists as well. But that's basically what I'm going down Dominica for, is really to establish, introduce Dominica to Slam, my company, and be able to assist my people, be able to assist the artists. Because, I sure whoever that's visiting my website right now might say, oh, but he's a Dominican, why I haven't seen no Dominican music video yet? That's a true and a very good question. And the simplest answer to that is I have reached out to a lot of the bands, a lot of the artists from Dominica, told them that what I do should send some of my reels to them. And I have had maybe, actually, out of 5 of them I've asked about doing videos. One I've reached as far as writing a script for. And I wouldn't really mention their names because I don't want to put them on blast like that, but it's kind of like a negative vibes, like as though Dominicans don't really see the value in doing a music video, because up to now we haven't really seen the value in doing music except for ourselves and enjoying it. We haven't seen the financial rewards to it. We haven't seen the promotional aspect of it, because no artists from Dominica really do any music videos. They have nothing. The rest of the Caribbean have stuff on Hype, RETV and stuff like that, but Dominica has no representation of that. As of this moment in the year 2010, sorry.
Just like a hook from Tyson. Sunrise to sunrise, enemies smite them. Never wish death on a man. The better chance, give him control. Clap up your hands, praises I am that I
Well, okay, music is not your field right now. You're focusing on video. How critical would you say videography is for Dominica?
That's the most important thing right now.
Could you consider it to be a form of preserving, like, exactly?
Yeah, everything that we put on any medium really it formulates history. In 50 years from now, 100 years from now, the youth will be asking what was Dominica doing at that particular time. They can play a song and know exactly what was going on. Calypso does a lot with that. Tell us exactly what was going on that here. With the government, socialistic, politically, whatever the case is, So, it formulates history, and video, just like recording music, is important.
Well, here we have it. Dominica Sauce talking with Mr. Yoli Blanc from Slam Videos, and he's a very interesting man, and his business is quite interesting as well. And we encourage every Dominican to go on to his website. Tell us your website again.
slamvideomagazine.com, and just so people know, we have won 2 Virginia Reggae Awards so far, and we're nominated again for a 3rd one this year. So go out and vote for us. VirginiaReggaeAwards.com. Vote for Slam Video Best Media category. See?
So yes, there you have it, Mr. Yoli Blanc and Slam Video and his team. They are doing quite well here, and they are a team to be reckoned with. And I honestly hope and pray that when you go to Dominica, that you'll be loved, you'll be embraced, and your business will be embraced as well.
Yeah, man, give thanks, and I'll see everybody in Dominica. Look out for me. We'll be all over the place, really. You know what I'm saying? We'll be trying to shoot some music videos for a lot of the artists, because, as I said before, I want to see our people on the forefront worldwide being promoted. So that is one of my main things going down there for. So look out for me.
DominicaSauce.com. We're doing it with Mr. Slam, Mr. Slam, there you go, Mr. Slam. And, this is what we do at Dominica Sauce. We interview Dominicans. So if you're Dominican or wherever you are, you can be in Russia, you can be Japan, China, whatever you are into, please go to our website, DominicaSauce.com, and tell us about yourself. Send us your contact information. And, let us do this for Dominica. Let us go out there and do our thing and let people know who we are and what we are. And at the end of the day, Dominica benefits. Thank you.